Okay, I'm going to do a review on vantrue on-dash N2S 4K dash camera. Here's the box it comes in. You get this, you get stickers. That's what the camera came in. I've been hanging on to this just to do this review. Now we're done with it. Okay, here's the camera. Here's my absolute favorite part of this camera. That's what you have to do to get it started. It's good to go. This is the inside of this thing. This is great if you're like an Uber driver or getting pulled over by the police or something. It's videoing you at all times. When you re-look at this footage, you'll never realize how much you actually talk to yourself in the car, which is kind of scary, really. I like it's on a swivel, so like if I did need to, like, you know, video what was going on here, I could move this around. You can adjust the front of the camera any way you want. I always try to center it on the hood. What else do I like about this thing? Mini SD card goes right there in the side. What I love the most is it just does its own thing. You don't have to program it or do any type of anything. You just plug it in and it's good to go. The second thing I love the most about this, if you're a redneck like me, you have 10 cars and half of them run at any given time. So I leave this like this. You could probably route this like way nicer and out of your way. I leave it like this because you just turn this lever. The thing pops right off. You unplug it. You're done with this vehicle. Now you want to drive one of your other piles of junk. Hey buddy, how's it going? Hop into this one. Literally just hold this and turn this lever, and now it's installed in this truck. Take this guy right here, plug her in, turn the key on. Now we got power. It boosts up. Now we're in this car, driving around, doing whatever. We love this camera. Now I'm going to show some of the interesting things that I think that I've caught on the camera. And then, yeah. What the hell is that? It's a mountain lion. It's a mountain lion.
Oh.
It's a deer. Look how nonchalant he is. Good, man.
You got an apple for me? Like this one. Two
Yep.
more. 3 more.
Can't wait to see what that looks like on this. There's 2 of them.
3.
Oh, excuse me, by all means, take your time. They're just not in a hurry at all. Almost domesticated.
Yeah.
Dude, you're an idiot. Oh wow, everyone's screwed up. Oh no, that guy was in front of us.
Yeah, and then he just went.
Now I see what happened.
He started swerving, and that guy panicked.
Yeah, he fishtailed, looped out.
What is this guy doing now? What an
It's the
a-hole.
Dodge guy. You don't give a crap.
Same ones that your work gave you.
Which they say they bought. So if you like that video, let me know. Hit the like button, maybe subscribe if you want. I'm going to do more reviews, but I'm only going to review things that I either really love or I really hate. And they're not going to be technical reviews either.